What's up guys, a new vlog today and it's all about farm work. If you're on a working holiday visa in Australia and you want to go for that second year, you need to do at least 88 days of farm work. And because most people like us never really had experience to work on a farm before you actually go to Australia, we wanted to show you what our experience was all about.
Yeah, so over the last 5 months we have been working on this free-range chicken farm, and it was our job to collect about how many eggs? 50,000 eggs per day.
Yeah.
So it was hard and long work, but it was great fun, and we wanted to show you guys today what our day-to-daily life felt like.
Yeah.
So let's start off with driving to our work in our work clothes. Arrival on the farm, and every morning we begin our day with some wildlife spotting. It's very awesome. There are many kangaroos around the farm, and you see, as they say it here, heaps of them.
So you actually have two different kind of days, or you work inside or you work outside.
If you work outside, you work in like 7 sheds, and they look something like this. And as you can see, the chickens have a lot of space to walk around the sheds because they're obviously free-range chickens. So let's show you how they are living. So, opening the gates to chicken land. And as you can see, they're chilling. Hey girlfriends. So chickens tend to follow you. As you see, they're quite curious. And here they come, sort of running towards you. They're mostly all around the garden, but because it's very bright and sunny today, they're not that into it. They're smart, so they go inside in the sheds where there are like 5,000 other chickens. They're very welcoming. I feel like mother chicken here. Showing you the inside of the shed. And there's a big ass chicken over here.
So after you said hello to the chickens in the yard and you checked the shed itself with the food and the water, it's time for the real job, to pack as many eggs as you can.
Full speed as usual, and then you pack as many eggs as possible. My maximum is 3 eggs per hen, so 6 in total, and you start packing as quickly as you can. Whenever you have a little dirty egg like this one, you place it here, and if you have a broken egg, you place it here. And all the eggs that are suitable to go to the customers and go first get checked in the grading room, which we tell you all about later on, go in here. At the end of the day, you have around 20 of these stacks out of every shed you do. And one stack, this is called a stack, is 6 high and contains 180 eggs. outside or inside. And when you're working outside, you're really among the chickens, packing the eggs, making sure the chickens are alright. But if you're working inside, you're in the grading room. And in the grading room, you make sure the eggs are in perfect conditions to go to the customers. So that could be supermarkets or caterers. You work among a machine. Jobs every hour. You're either packing the eggs, washing the eggs, or putting the packaging in boxes. It's really hard pace and totally different than working outside, but I have to be honest, I love outside more than inside. So, this is what you can expect if you're gonna do 88 days of farm work in Australia on a chicken farm. It's been a real cool experience.
Yeah, we never actually worked with animals or on a farm before, so it was definitely a new experience and for us a very good one.
Yeah, definitely. So if you have any questions about farm work or about our travels in Australia, leave a comment below. And if you want to know where we're now, because the vlogs are a little bit behind, follow our Instagram, that's
travelblog.crossingcoordinates.
And we'll see you on the next coordinates.
See ya!